Today we are discussing question and answers for N10-008. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. A technician need to configure a routing protocol for an internet-facing edge router. Which of the following routing protocols will the technician most likely use? Option A BGP, option B RIPv2, option C OSPF, option D EIGRP. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following compromises internet connected devices and make them vulnerable to becoming the part of the botnet? Select 2. Option A the authentication attack, option B malware infection, option C IP spoofing, option D firmware corruption, option E use of default credentials, and option F dictionary attack. The correct options are B and F. Several employees have expressed concerns about the company monitoring their internet activity when they are working from home. The company wants to mitigate this issue and reassure employees that this private internet activity is not being monitored. Which of the following would satisfy company and employees' need? Option A split tunnel, option B full tunnel, option C site to site tunnel, option D virtual desktop. Correct answer is option A. A device is connected to a managed three layers network switch. The MAC address of the device is known, but the static IP address assigned to the device is not. Which of the following features is the layer 3 network switch should be used to determine the IPv4 address of the device? Option A MAC table, option B neighbor discovery protocol, option C ARP table, option D IP configuration, option E ACL table. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following protocols would enable the company to upgrade its internet connection by acquiring its own public IP prefixes and autonomous number system number? Option A EIGRP, option B BGP, option C IPv6, option C MPLS. The correct answer is option A. The network administrator installed an additional IDF during the building expansion project. Which of the following documents need to be updated to reflect the page? Select 2. Option A data loss prevention policy, option B BYOD policy, option C acceptable use policy, option D non disclosure agreement, option E disaster recovery plan, option F physical network diagram. Correct answers are option B and F. The user reports that new VoIP phone works properly, but the computer that is connected to the phone cannot access any network issues. Which of the network resources? Which of the following most likely needs to be configured correctly to provide network connectivity to the computer? Option A port duplex settings, option B port aggregation, option C ARP settings, option D VLAN tags, option E MDIX settings. The correct answers are option A. The client who shares the office space and an IT closet with another company recently reported connectivity issues throughout the network. Multiple third party vendors regularly perform on site performance in the shared IT closet. Which of the following security techniques would best secure the physical networking equipment? Option A disabling unneeded switch ports, option B implementing role based access, option C changing the default passwords, option D configure an access control unit. Which of the following would be the best choice to connect branch sites to the main office securely? Option A VPN head end, option B proxy server, option C bridge, option D load balancer. The correct answer is option A. The company wants to add a local redundant data center to its network in case of failure at its primary location. Which of the following would give the least amount of redundancy for the company's network? Option A cold site, option B hot site, option C cloud site, option D warm site. Correct answer is option A. A technician was cleaning the storage closet and found a box of transaction labeled 8 Gbps. Which of the following protocols uses those transceivers? Option A coaxial over Ethernet, option B Internet small computer system interface, option C fiber channel, option D gigabit interface converter. The correct answer is option A. A new global ISP need to connect from central offices in North America to United Kingdom. Which of the following would be the best cabling solution for this project? Option A single mode, option B coaxial, option C Cat 6A, option D twin axial. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following would be best to install and find and block any malicious users within a network? Option A IDS, option B IPS, option C SCADA, option D ICS. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following records can be used to track the number of changes on a DNS zone? Option A SOA, option B SRV, option C PTR, option D NS. Correct answer is option A.